Hello, my name is Jennifer Schultz. I am your instructor for SLPA 101, Introduction to Speech Language Pathology Assistant. This is a 3-credit course in which you will learn about a variety of skills that are needed for you to be a successful SLPA. We're going to do a quick overview of your MyMTI learning site. So right now I am on the overview page. This is where you will land when you click on this course each week. In your course overview, you will see your grade up in the course status area, any news and announcements that I post, and I try to post an announcement each week. Those will appear in your latest news. Any events in the calendar will show up here, and the assignments that are due next will show up here. You will see your current unit displayed below that, and if you want to advance to a future unit, you can click on the green arrow over here. Once we've gotten into the course, if you want to go back to a previous unit, you will have a green arrow on the left side of the page. One of the first things you should do in this course is go to the syllabus page. Your syllabus will be displayed on this page so you can review it just on the screen. I would strongly encourage you to click on this pop-out box, which will allow you to print the syllabus so that you have a copy of it. You are responsible for all of the information that you find on the syllabus. Our textbooks and learner supplies are listed there, so make sure you pay attention to that. The competencies are listed in the syllabus, and all of our policies are listed here as well. So take a close look at the syllabus. You will see that there is a schedule there. Make sure that you pay attention to the schedule, but that you also pay closer attention to the coursework page that we're going to go to in just a bit. So let's go ahead and go to the coursework page. This is probably where you're going to spend most of your time. Up at the top, it lets you know what assignments are due next, and then each unit is listed with your assignments there, and it will tell you when you can start an assignment and when it is due, and if you have any assignments that are late, they will show up there as well. So make sure that you're keeping track of that. One thing that I have done in the past is to print a copy of this page. So you have a print button here, so you can print the page, and then I can mark things off as I complete them, which I actually do as your instructor to make sure that I have everything ready for you to the extent possible. So go ahead and print it out, but then each week you also need to come back here because assignments will change, typically in your favor. Maybe I will take an assignment out or shorten an assignment. So make sure that in addition to keeping a record of what's coming up on paper, that you're also coming back here frequently to update that and make sure that you're staying on track that way. Always keep track of what your grade is. In addition to seeing your current grade on the overview page, you will also see a list of the assignments that are available and what your grade was on each specific assignment. You are required to do all of the assignments in each one of your SLPA courses. So if you have 2 or more missing assignments, your grade in the course is going to drop by 10% or a full letter grade. So this is where you want to go to make sure that you haven't missed any assignments. The news and announcements are on their own separate page. You will see those posted here. That's where you're actually going to be accessing this video. They will update each week, and they are also saved for you. So later on you'll see options kind of in this area to go to previous news and announcements postings. So if you think maybe I had posted something earlier and you can't remember it specifically, check the news and announcements page for that information. Resources are divided into 2 sections. We have handouts. These are things that you can print out or save to your computer, and bookmarks, and these are links to web-based or internet-based resources. So if you click on one of these links, that's going to take you out to another internet page. So anytime you need something to do an assignment, if it's not attached to the assignment, you can look and see once if you can find it in your resources page. The roster is a fantastic tool. You will have pictures of all of your course mates and your instructors on the roster tab. And when you click on information, another box will open up with an email address so you can easily email somebody using the roster page. Also at the bottom of the page, you can select specific members and email them, or you can select everybody and email everyone in the course if you want to do that for any reason. In your introduction to the program video, we talked about voice threads. Your voice threads will be archived here, so I haven't set this page up, but you will see all of the voice threads for this course that will be listed here, and you can access them directly on this page. So when you're studying for tests, I don't provide study guides, but you always have access to your lectures, so you can go back at any time and review a lecture or discussion on the voice threads page. In addition to voice threads being archived on this page, if you have a voice thread assignment in coursework, you will also be able to access that voice thread by clicking on the assignment in the coursework page. So I think that's probably good enough for a quick intro to the course. I hope that you find everything you need. If you have questions, make sure you let me know. I'm looking forward to us getting started. Welcome to 101.